Hey everyone! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to enable Link Autodetect in your Simplebooklet. This feature automatically turns phone numbers, email addresses, and URLs into clickable links, making it easier for your audience to interact with your content. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we've found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Design tab. From here, we're going to make our way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the Advanced button. And now from here, we're going to want to make our way over to the Link Autodetect spot here. And we're just going to make sure that it's toggled on. And so now that it's enabled, phone numbers, email addresses, and URLs in your text will automatically become clickable links. Your changes are saved automatically, so once you've toggled it on, your readers can start interacting with your links immediately. Enabling Link Autodetect enhances the action and engagement stages of the reader's journey. It makes it simple for your audience to call, email, or visit a website directly from your booklet, reducing friction and increasing engagement. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.